Hi, welcome to my video on how to assemble your KidzWerks Child Standing Tower. Step 1. Carefully remove each part from the box. Then organize each piece so that it's easy to find, easy to grab, and easy to assemble. The only tool that you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Everything else comes with the box. Step 2. Attach pieces to the side panel A1. I like to start with the D pieces and do the bottom first. I always just tend to grab the screws with my hand and start them manually first. It's a little bit easier. Once they're in a little bit, then I'll grab my Phillips head screwdriver and I will tighten them up. I don't like to tighten them all the way at first. I'll do that at the very end. Flip it up. Grab the other D piece, put the screws in just as before. And then manually turn them. Screw them in nice and snug, but not too tight. Then I'm going to grab the D2 piece. It is the piece with the logo. All right, when you put this piece in, it's very important that you want to put it in facing outward. So it should look like this. Okay, you do not want it to face in, you want it to face outward so you can see it. We will be putting in the rectangular piece D2. Again, I started with my hands manually, nice and easy. Once it's snug, I finish it up with the Phillips head screwdriver. Now all the D pieces are in. Last but not least, I will finish with my E cylinder rod. Place it in, same as before. Put the screw through, start with your hand. Once it's finished, I will finish it up with my Phillips head screwdriver. Now the first side panel is done. Step 3. Take the other side panel, A2, and rest it gently on top of A1. I do it nice and easy, and I will find the cylinder E rod, make sure that is in its home before I move on. All right, so what I would like to do, I think it's the easiest, is I usually find that first, make sure that's nice and snug, and I just tighten it a little bit. I don't tighten it all the way, but I tighten it a little bit just to make sure that the parts are in place. Then I'll go to the D piece nearest. Again, find the holes in first with your hands. Once they're in, nice and easy with your Phillips head screwdriver. Again, I don't like to put the screws in all the way until the very end. I like to leave a little room. Okay, 2 more screws, head down to the bottom. Same thing, make sure the holes line up. This should be pretty easy to do once you've got a couple in. Rotate it, and we will do the last D piece. And find the holes. Once they're in, tighten them up. Finish tightening the E cylinder piece. And step 3 is complete. Step 4. Turn your tower upright on its 4 legs. And now we are going to attach parts B and part C. There are 3 slides for the standing platform. Please place based on your preference. I'm going to choose the middle slide. I recommend everybody attaches the middle one to start. Again, I would make it just snug but not too tight. Turn it again. Finish up the other side. Okay, now that the B standing tower is snug, we're going to put in C part, the front step. Slide it in. Okay, we'll find the last holes. Here. Found it. Slide it over and finish up the other side. Okay, now your platform B and your front step C are now safely secured. Step 5, attach the removable safety rod, piece E. Slide it in the grooves. It's nice and snug. Screw it in. Okay, other side. Okay. Step 6, attach the anti-slip pads to the bottom of your tower. Peel the tops and place it on the sticky side, nice and even in the middle. Press firm to make sure it sticks. Step 7, last but not least, I recommend you go through and do a thorough check and just do a final tighten on all your screws. Once you feel like they've all been tightened, if you want to, you have the option to put in your screw covers. To put the screw covers, just find the head of the screw, attach it in, and that's it. Thank you all for watching my video. If you have any final questions, please refer back to your instruction manual found in your box. KidzWerks, helping little ones dream big.